how to set your community to private from public in Reddit. Now in order to do this, just simply open the community which you would like to private, and after that tap to mod tools, and after tapping to the mod tool option, scroll down until you see the option of community type under the settings. Now just simply tap to community type, and then you will see your community type as public if you have made it public, and just simply tap into that, and then you will see the option of private. Now in order to change your community type to private, tap to the private option and tap to next. Now you will need to give a reason to make the community private at very first. Just simply do that. Then after giving the reason, tap to submit request, and your request will be submitted and your community will be changed to private. So this is how you can very easily change your Reddit community to private from public.